In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to efficiently copy and paste a table from one location to another within a Microsoft Word document. This is a handy skill that can save you a lot of time and make your document editing process much smoother. Let's dive into the steps. First things first, you need to access the Microsoft Word file that contains the table you want to work with. Open the document on your computer. If it's saved directly on your desktop, just double-click the file to open it. For those who might have it stored in a folder, navigate to the correct location and open the file from there. It's important to make sure that your document is fully loaded and responsive before moving on to the next step, because a slow document can make the process frustrating, especially if it's filled with lots of data or images. Once you have the Word document open, the next thing you should do is locate the table you'd like to copy. This might be a table filled with data, figures, or any kind of structured information you want to replicate elsewhere. Click and drag your mouse across the entire table. You should begin at one corner and drag to the opposite corner, ensuring that the whole table is highlighted. It's key that every cell is selected, otherwise you might end up missing crucial data when you paste. With your table highlighted, it's time to copy it. On your keyboard, simply press the keys Ctrl and C together. This quick command tells your computer to copy the selected information, placing it on your clipboard, a temporary storage area for data. If you're working on a Mac, substitute with the Command key instead of Control. Remember, copying the table doesn't alter its current position or appearance in the document. It just makes a duplicate that you can then place elsewhere. After copying, navigate to the part of your document where you wish to paste the table. This could be in the same document or a different one if you're looking to merge information. Once you have your cursor positioned correctly, press Ctrl and V on your keyboard to paste the copied table into the new spot. Again, for Mac users, use the Command key. This action pastes the table right where your cursor is, replicating the exact layout and content of the original table. And just like that, you're done. You've successfully copied and pasted your table, making your document editing far more manageable. This simple task, though easy to overlook, is an essential component of efficient document management. Having these quick shortcuts at your fingertips can significantly speed up your workflow, allowing you to focus on the more substantive aspects of your work in Microsoft Word. Thanks for watching and happy editing.